Welcome to the new section of our training where we are going to take a case study and to see how to create an intelligent invoice and an intelligent stock card to manage our business with all what we've been studying so far from introduction to VBA. We're going to use VBA code to automate an invoice in such a way that when you select, for example, the product and you put, for example, quantity, you click on a button, it is going to carry the informations from this invoice to another worksheet and even print it in a PDF where you can actually send it to your customer in the form of an invoice, and automatically it will allow your invoice to be empty for the next customer, and your stock card will be updated automatically to see the available stock. You have a sales track where you can track all your sales. You have an entry form, an exit form, all these with the use of buttons where you can move from one sheet to another. A lot of beautiful things from the stock card. You see how to make everything automatic and come up with beautiful result with what we have studied so far. So this video is just to present to you how or what we will be able to come up at the end of this session. All the videos will be specific to build up this case study where we have the possibility to create invoices sent to our customers and manage the stock in the company. So this is just a case study out of 1,000. It depends on what you want to do. You can use the same knowledge and build something different, something which can help your organization grow. So get to you in the process of the creation of this automatic invoice and stock card.